this thing. Very nice. Just stick it. Okay. Throw away. Do not eat. Not candy, kids. Okay, go. More graceful way to do this. There. So this will be my first Viltrox lens. So far it's cold because it's been just out of the box. So that tells me it's well built because it's metal all around, which is nice. So you can see you get like a lens hood here. So I'll put that aside for now. So this is the 23mm 1.4 XF for the Fuji mount. So I will put, in comparison, here's my XS10 with 35 1.4 from Fuji. So if I just put that next to each other, so I think it's slightly taller, but we'll see. So I'm gonna take this off now, like so. Sorry if what I'm doing here is making you cringe, but there you go. Let's see which way to mount it. Doesn't actually. So putting it on. Boom. Okay, should put this on here. So for protection, there we go. Cool. As you can see, very compact, quite small compared, or shorter, should I say, compared to the Viltrox. So I am aware that you can update this lens via a port somewhere. I think it's inside the mount there, but set it off. Beautiful. How do I don't really want to take this off. Just like that. Well, I don't really use lens hoods, to be honest with you, but it's nice. So I'll put that there aside for now. So you can see, I think from the videos I've been watching on YouTube, the aperturing is, there's no clicks to let you know what aperture you're on. I mean, I do currently own a manual 35 1.4 from Nike. So here, the aperturing is actually looser, so not as tight compared to the Viltrox. So there's a little bit more resistance to it. So as you can see, it goes from, yes, there's a little bit more resistance on there. Again, the click for the aperture or the stops or whatever you call it would have been nice, I guess, but it's no deal breaker. So compare that to the Fuji, you can hear that, can't you? So the click stops, I guess. It's not a big deal. Obviously, if you're shooting, or when I'm shooting, I don't really tend to hit this or touch this by accident. So when I shoot, when I record videos, I don't really like grab it from here. So I tend to grab it from the focus adjuster, is that what it's called? So yeah, so that's actually quite nice to feel because it's quite wide and big, so you actually know if you're touching the lens or the focus ring compared to the aperturing. You see, again, this is thinner and it's got more resistance compared to this, which has less resistance and it's wider, so you can definitely tell if you're touching the wrong thing. Yeah, so I'm going to turn it on now and see. Hopefully. So I think I currently have this on So I do have focus peaking on. There we go. That's not bad. So I do have it on f2. Let's see, it's wide open. There we go. Very nice. So let's try the autofocus. I don't know what firmware it came out with, but let's go and try going into focus for autofocus. Let's try that. It's actually not bad, you know. So again, this is my first Viltrox lens. I did own the 23 Fuji f2 before I got my 35, but I found that I prefer the look and I just prefer the 35, to be honest. And yeah, the downside obviously that I can't really do vlogs with the 35s because with the crop sensor with the video crop, it's basically like a 56 or 55 mil. So this one 23, I think it's about a 35 for full frame equivalent. So I hope it can give me slightly wider focal length when I do my vlogs or when I record videos or when I just, you know, film myself. Let's say if I'm doing some lifting, I do use this camera to post on Instagram. I know, yeah, but I also use YouTube. I'm also planning on using this for YouTube. So I don't know, yeah, just a nice. I think it's nice to have a 23 and 35. So hopefully I'll be able to use this more. I was planning on using this for YouTube, and also some vlogging. I still will definitely use the 35s for closer shots. But yeah, I'll see how this one feels. It's a lot heftier than I thought, though. I should probably update the firmware first before I start shooting properly with these. But yeah, that was my unboxing of the Viltrox 23 1.4. And so first impressions, build quality, really nice. I can't say anything about the images and the video quality yet, but I don't think I'll be disappointed from what I've seen on YouTube. So I hope I'll be able to shoot with some good stuff with this. Yeah, we'll let you know soon how it goes.